Hi, I'm Jacob and I'm one of the owners of J&M Pool Company, and today I want to walk you through one of our recent vinyl renovations. Now if you look down at the ground here, you can see that we love to use natural stone. So what we have is a premium select silver travertine. You won't see us using anything faux, anything that's not premium, because once you put it down, it's what you're going to have, and we want it to last, but we also want to use the most beautiful elements that really can be offered. Everybody wants to have a shelf, somewhere you can hang out, where the kids can play, somewhere where you can put your ledge lounger chairs, and as you can see, with the bubbler addition and then the custom entry, it creates the beauty and the feel that you really want out of a swimming pool. So this right here, this is a little feature that so many people neglect on, but it's your handrails and your ladders. So often you'll see that normal 4-curve handrail, and why would you do something like that when you have the opportunity to do an artesian handrail? A slide is a great add-on, a diving board's a great add-on, and a shelf is another awesome add-on for a swimming pool. So in Georgia, it has a tendency to get really hot and the sun can be very blinding. So a new feature that we're offering with a lot of our remodels is the option to have shade when you want it, but the openness when you don't. So these are a type of screen that we've been a huge fan of. And as you can see, when I'm ready for shade or privacy, I can get it. So it allows you to kick back and relax and really enjoy the peace of not being blinded by the sun. So one thing about our projects is just because it's not something that is commonly sold with our project doesn't mean we can't do it for you. So this is an example where we came in synthetic turf and playground areas, that's not what we do, but we were still able to create a beautiful area and tie it into our project for this client. Thank you so much for coming out here and enjoying this walkthrough on this vinyl remodel with us. We just want to showcase what we're capable of, and we'd love to come in your backyard and offer a similar touch. So give us a call whether you're looking for new construction, remodeling, service, repairs. If it comes to swimming pools, we can take care of you. Thank you again.